Good morning and a very warm welcome to NDTV Yuva 2026. We have youngsters here. The vibe is young and dynamic, just like us. The ideas are bold and the main character energy that is non-negotiable.
This is a generation that can switch from reels to real talk in seconds, from side hustles to startups, from content to consciousness. And that's exactly what today is about.
Before we go ahead, a huge round of applause. We want the energy to remain high before we start our first session.
We kick off the first session of NDTV UR 2026.
That is with a personality who's here with us.
Please welcome Colonel Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore, Minister for Industries, Youth and Sports Affairs, Government of Rajasthan, also a former Olympic medalist.
Thank you very much, Colonel Rathore, for being here with us. We've in fact spoken to him in his many, many avatars, from an Olympian to at the center, very vocal on social media, and now in Rajasthan. And you come and speak to us at a time when we are in the middle of an election season, Colonel Rathore. And, you know, if there's one thing that we have noticed election after election, is that now the voice of the youth is unmistakable and unmissable.
So, भारत के अंदर सबसे ज़्यादा संख्या में युवा तो हैं ही, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि हमारी जब पीढ़ी थी, जब हम इनकी उम्र में थे, हमारा लेवल ऑफ अवेयरनेस बहुत कम होता था. इनका लेवल ऑफ अवेयरनेस बहुत ज़्यादा है. जैसे हमेशा कहते हैं ना कि द ग्रोथ इज इन योर टीनेज एंड इन योर यंगर ईयर्स व्हेन यू आर लर्निंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सो द अमाउंट ऑफ इनपुट इंफॉर्मेशन विच इज हियर राइट नाउ इज अमेजिंग. सो इन्हें दुनिया के बारे में पता है, इन्हें देश के बारे में पता है, और ये बहुत परसेप्टिव है. तो निश्चित रूप से सरकार किस दिशा में जाए, या मुझे लगता है देश किस दिशा में जाए, उसमें युवाओं का बहुत बड़ा योगदान होता है. सो आई एम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट ऑफ दिस नेशन. आई एम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट ऑफ द यूथ. दे आई एम टेलिंग यू, यू ऑल, नंबर वन, योर नॉलेज इज फार सुपीरियर टू व्हाट आवर नॉलेज वाज व्हेन वी वर योर एज ओल्ड एज यू. 100%. हमारे इतना स्ट्रेस नहीं होता था जितना आप लोगों के ऊपर स्ट्रेस है. 100%. आई एम सेइंग इट. You are far aware, you're far better, and you will do better. So I'm very confident of this nation. I'm very confident of the youth.
Well, 3 cheers to the youth of our country. If that is what we have for the next generation, then there is hope. Nobody can take India down, irrespective of how much they try.
Please welcome, with a round of applause, the students of Galgota University in conversation with my co-host Arun Singh. The energy should remain high, ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome the students of Galgota University.
So, Soumya, I want to start with you. You know, you run Kisan Drishti. First of all, it's a very interesting setup that you've built. First, in 30 seconds, if you have to tell us what Kisan Drishti is.
Kisan Drishti basically is a farm monitoring system, and we have created an early crop disease detection for it, and it's totally trained on Indian farm and regions. So it's trained on the data sets of Indian agriculture.
After knowing the age of this gentleman here, he's just 18. And he has also built Cybergenics. 30 seconds, tell us what you do at Cybergenics.
So basically in Cybergenics, we have our own AI systems that are trained on the models of the corporate. And what we actually focus on, that they learn by the human nature, the human working, the human workflows, and it's a automation workflow system. So this is what we build at Cybergenics Security.
We'll go to Keshav as well, who's built Savvy Technologies. If you can take us through what you do at Savvy.
Sure. So at Savvy, we are a big data analytic company. So what we do for legacy companies. So they have legacy architectures, right? To help them adapt the newest solutions, we tweak their pipelines, tweak their architectures to adapt them actionable insight, smart workflows, and smart automations. Now that thing for a very huge database, be it TVs of database, it's a very big thing to get analytics over that.
Yeah.
So that's what we do.
We'll move to Ananya. You do Shop Finance. Again, 30 seconds if you could tell our audience what Shop Finance does.
So Shop Finance is an AI native accounting and finance firm for startups and MSMEs. So we have all full stack. We work like CA firms, but much better and much faster.
Give it up for these students, guys. Thank you very much.
Some people inherit a legacy. Others try to break away from it. And then there are those who attempt something which is rare, far more difficult to carry it forward but on their own terms. And our next guest is doing just that, ladies and gentlemen, moving between cricket boardrooms and AI startups, navigating the space between tradition and transformation. Please welcome Aryaman Sindhya, President, Madhya Pradesh Cricket Association,
Thank you
co-founder,
very much.
Ithara
Thank you very much.
AI. What is that one big change you think that the Indian Cricket Administration needs, keeping the youth in mind?
So I think now being in the system for about 5 years, right? And now also getting the opportunity and the privilege to head Madhya Pradesh Cricket Association, I've realized as a young leader, there are 2 or 3 ways in which I can bring about the change that you're talking about. One is the inclusion of technology within administration, right? So the world, or rather India, has never seen an ERP for cricket. So
Tell us more about that.
so with the background that I come from, which is basically I have my own AI startup, I decided why not infuse what I learned there into cricket as well. So what I'm building right now, and I'm now in the ideation phase, is a very novel ERP that manages administration, compliance, also cricket selection in my state. So what it'll do is that essentially when you have MPC as association, you have divisions and districts below that. But right now, there is no connection with the division and districts in terms of their compliance, in terms of their accounting, in terms of their selection committees. It's very, I would say, hazy. Right? So what this will do is that I will build this ERP in a way that all your grants, all your compliances, all your reimbursements will come through technology. So you have to first apply for a grant, right? Sometimes many people are not from an accounting background but are in divisions and districts. So they don't know where exactly their compliance is being missed or where the accounting is being wrong. So when you upload your requirements for a particular grant, the AI model will then come back and tell you that, okay, you are missing X, Y, or Z.
Is this something that you have already spoken to the Cricket Association?
Yeah, we're working, we're developing.
And what has the response been?
It's been fairly positive because what this will do is it will allow even transparency in selection processes. So all your data points, your cricketers, wickets, runs, innings, everything will be fed into this ERP. And then selectors have to, if they want to analyze a player, all the player analytics and profiles will come up on the dashboard. And then when he's making a selection, he'll have to search for a player and add him to his team. Then it'll come to the division and the MPCA board to approve. So it's fully a transparent process led by technology.
I think IPL will want this more than anyone else. at this
Well,
point.
well, I hope so. I hope so.
दिल्ली जहां हम बैठे हैं, मेरठ जहां से चित्रांगदा ने अपनी जर्नी शुरू की लाइफ के अर्ली डेज, और वहां से दिल्ली में इरविन कॉलेज से पढ़ाई एंड देन मुंबई तक का सफ़र, और फिर वहाँ से इंटरनेशनल दुनिया तक की धमक. तो ये सब कुछ जब एक छोटे शहर से निकलकर आप बड़ी दुनिया में अपनी बड़ी जगह बनाते हैं, तो नाम बनता है चित्रांगदा सिंह का. चित्रांगदा, एक बार फिर आपका मैं स्वागत करते हुए यहाँ पर.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
तो मेरठ में वो जो एक प्यारी सी लड़की थी जो आंखों में बहुत सारे सपने लेकर सोफियाज में पढ़ने जाती थी, उस समय उसने सोचा था उसे एक्ट्रेस बनना है या कुछ और था दिमाग में?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं, और बहुत सारे सपने थे ही नहीं. ऑनेस्टली मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि व्हेन आई लुक बैक कि मेरे से ज़्यादा अनएम्बिशियस शायद कोई लड़की होगी. मैंने सच में, आई एम टेलिंग यू, मैंने ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं सोचा था. इनफैक्ट मैं दिल्ली कॉलेज करने भी नहीं आना चाहती थी क्योंकि आई वॉज अ वेरी इंट्रोवर्टेड पर्सन. तो इतना जो आजकल प्रेशर होता है ना कि आप क्या करेंगे, आपको क्या करना है, क्या बनना है, इट्स ओके, इट विल कम टू यू, यू नो, मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
जब मैंने अपने बहुत सारे दोस्तों को ये बताया कि मैं चित्रांगदा सिंह का इंटरव्यू करने जा रही हूँ, स्पेशली द मेल फ्रेंड्स एंड कॉलीग्स एंड रिलेटिव्स, 8 to 10 out of them, so all of them have a special feeling for you. Somebody said we love her. किसी ने कहा कि उनके चेहरे की इंटेंसिटी हम भूल नहीं सकते. कई किरदारों का नाम लिया. तो आपसे मैं ये पूछना चाह रही हूँ, ये मेल अटेंशन जो आपकी तरफ सिंस योर फर्स्ट रोल, जब भी आप पहली बार पर्दे पर आई तब से लेकर अब तक जिस तरह से आता है, आपको पहली बार कब रियलाइजेशन हुआ इस बात का, खुद को आईने में देखते हुए या गुजरते हुए, कि कुछ अलग है, कुछ अलग तरह से लोग देख रहे हैं या बात कर रहे हैं?
I mean, honestly, school में when I was in school, I was in an all girls school, and एक वो सेंट मेरीज होता है और एक सोफिया, you know, we had these 2 schools. So जब इंटर स्कूल हमारे कुछ इवेंट्स होते थे, so that's the time that I would
be a little like, okay. But मैं सच बता रही हूँ, मुझे ऐसा कभी भी नहीं लगा कि there is something very special about me. I was a very dusky girl even then. And ऐसा होता है ना, North India में the whole idea of beauty is very different. And उतने साल पहले तो इतनी awareness भी नहीं थी. तो मुझे ऐसा सच में कभी नहीं लगा. And even when I came to my college, Lady Irwin, वो खादी कुर्ता, jeans, it was very like, you know, dressed down because you have to bus around in Delhi, like you know when you bus around in Delhi, how you have to dress up. So it was, I never thought. लेकिन जब मैंने modeling try करी, and in the first, I think 1 or 2 weeks में I started to get
photogenic face
yeah.
है, striking face है.
And they specially said कि ये बड़ी intelligent लगती है, इसको चश्मा पहनाओ. So my first ad was IBM Oracle, I think, the company. And yeah, so they said we want an intelligent looking face. And I was like, I don't think I look intelligent. But मतलब, you know how you slowly start to realize what you have. So yeah, it took me a while to understand कि कुछ है. But thank your family, yeah.
Friends also.
I like all the support. Yes.
बहुत बहुत स्वागत सबसे पहले एनडीटीवी के इस मंच पर.
Thank you.
और इससे पहले हम कॉन्वर्सेशन शुरू करें, आपके इंडस्ट्री में 10 साल पूरे हो रहे हैं, दशक.
जी. Thank you.
2016 दंगल और आज 2026.
Yes, in December, I'll be completing 10 years in Bollywood.
वो वाली सान्या और इस वाली सान्या में क्या फर्क है, क्या बदला है?
A lot has changed. A lot. I don't know, I'm just much more sure about myself, my craft, confident, and cuter.
A lot more gold as well.
Oh, हाँ. दिल्ली आई हूँ यार.
Now also, you know, if we see your choices, of course, जैसे मैंने अपने intro link में भी सारी films का नाम लिया, वो सारी choices काफी rare हैं, right? जैसे कुछ साल पहले हम मेल एक्टर्स में आयुष्मान खुराना के लिए बोलते थे कि वो जो पिक करते हैं, that is offbeat, it's
Right.
different, it's not Bollywood per se.
Right.
Is that also somewhere a conscious choice that you are making, that मेरे को plain Jane करना ही नहीं है, मेरे को classic करना नहीं है, मेरे को कुछ rare करना, or is it just that only अलग exceptional scripts are coming to you?
It's a mix of both. As an actor, I don't want to be, I don't know, I don't want to restrict myself or be in a box and be comfortable with doing things that I have already done. Something that excites me is experimenting with my roles, with my scripts. Hence, I have done films like Mrs., Patakha, Paglet, Dangal, and also because my first film, I think my debut was with Dangal, जिसमें बाल काट दिए, wrestling सीखी. So, क्योंकि debut ऐसा था, तो मुझे लगता है कि it could also be a conditioning for me as an actor कि experiment करते रहो.
One person जिन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा impress किया आपने किसी action से और उनकी teaching आपके साथ रह गई, and it is here till now as well. I mean, you've worked with Amir Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, so you know. Any one person who's taught you something that stayed with you?
I did a film called Photograph with Nawazuddin Siddiqui, and उस film में मेरे साथ गीतांजलि कुलकर्णी थी, who played my house help in the film. I have learned a very important thing about acting from her, which is backstory. The first day of our readings together, because she was playing my house help, she got a sari to wear, bangles, payal, a playlist कि मैं as my character मैं क्या गाने सुनती होंगी, and she didn't even sit up, she was sitting down, she had like everything planned about her character. When I saw her, I was like, I need to do this too, and till date I do it for all my characters.
And that shows, right? That comes through, screen पर दिख जाता है. Now, you know, you also have stepped into entrepreneurship with Bree Macha. ये of course कभी भी कोई सेलिब्रिटी अपना ब्रांड लेकर आता है तो एक ये बात जरूर जहन में आती है कि कितनी इन्वॉल्वमेंट उनकी होती होगी. So I want to ask it straight up. How much were you involved right from the word go, and how much participation do you have today as well?
3 साल पहले, I used to be a huge coffee drinker. फिर मुझे ये रियलाइज़ हुआ कि कॉफ़ी से तो बड़ी घबराहट हो रही है यार
बीपीआई हो रहा है।
बीपीआई हो रहा है, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था ना। आई रियली लाइक द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग अ कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी इन द मॉर्निंग। सुबह सुबह उठे हैं, बैठे आराम से, स्लो मॉर्निंग,
Crushing the beans.
crushing the beans and all of that. And when I started feeling jittery after having coffee, I was like, गए मेरे तो सपने गए, मेरा तो मैं मॉर्निंग का क्या करूँ, गर्म पानी पीऊँ. And then a friend told me, why don't you switch to matcha? 3 साल पहले matcha, mind you, was not matcha what it is right now. It was nothing, like people didn't know about it. I started drinking matcha and I was like, wow, this feels so good. I did my research and I started converting all my friends, family members into matcha drinkers. और मैं कोई बाहर जाता था या मैं खुद travel करती थी तो I used to get good quality matcha for myself. 2 years back, I was like, this whole process is too much. It's tedious. Why don't I start my own brand? I told my manager, Jinal, I want to start my own matcha business. And this girl was like, what is that? Nobody knew. When I told the team that, listen, I'm telling you, matcha is going to be huge. And when it comes to Indian markets, blah, 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 I'm giving them a speech about matcha, that matcha has amino acid like L-theanine. That's the reason you don't feel jittery. It has caffeine and similar amount of caffeine than coffee, but it also has an amino acid called L-theanine, which relaxes you, which gives you a very focused energy flow.
आप में से कितने लोग पहली बार माचा के बारे में सुन या समझ रहे हैं? अगर
सिर्फ 2 ही, बाकी सबको
थोड़ी
matcha
देर
के
में
बारे
ट्राई
में
कराते हैं आपको, थोड़ी देर में ट्राई कराते हैं।
Favorite people ever, favorite audience.
Ladies and gentlemen, success doesn't arrive on opening day. It circles back when the world is finally ready to see you. Our next guest knows that journey far too well. From a film like Laila Majnu, once written off, later reclaimed as a cult success, to carving a space without chasing templates, he's quietly built one of the most interesting careers in the industry today. He's played the lover, he's played the outsider, he's played the antagonist, and often that character that stays with you even after the credits roll and beyond. At a platform like NDTV Yuva, where we celebrate voices that challenge the norm, it's only fitting we speak to someone who refuses to be boxed in. Please welcome Avinash Tiwari.
Thank you.
Are you feeling the love?
I'm feeling the love for sure. Good evening, everyone. That was such a lovely introduction.
Thank you. So the delayed success of Laila Majnu, if I could speak about it for another moment, did it make you less dependent on validation and more aware about how unpredictable Bollywood is, how unpredictable people could be, how unpredictable the industry is?
I mean, that was quite clear to me that this industry is very, because it's dependent on responses of the audiences, right? I create a product, I come to you, you like it, you don't like it. If you don't like it, gone to shelf. Who's giving you another opportunity? And that's one problem of being an outsider, right? There's not many opportunities that are going to come to you. So your one failure is gone. That's it. That's about it. But at the same time, this belief, and we have always heard this, that if you really are talented and you put in the work, there would be results available. And I had kind of stopped believing in it. I'd stopped believing that it would really convert into something. So that has changed for sure. What has changed is that this belief, and I want to again reach out to people and say that कि अगर आपने की है ना मेहनत, आपने कहीं एफर्ट डाला है तो कुछ ना कुछ तो है. आपको यहाँ नहीं दिख रहा है बट कुछ तो है. ढूंढना है मुझे. आपको शायद वो नहीं मिला कि कहाँ है वो, कहाँ रखा हुआ है, लेकिन कुछ ना कुछ निकला है. That is something that definitely came out.
All right, we're now going to talk about the label character actor, Avinash. Do you see it as a compliment, or do you see it being, just kind of stereotyped within a box?
I don't understand character actor. What does that mean? I understand actor. I also don't understand versatile actor, because actor is supposed to be versatile. So it's how are we using these words? And they are become so easy in our conversation that we don't even question it. Iska kya matlab hai? Oh, he's a versatile actor and he's an actor. So, like, what is the difference? You understand what I'm saying? So I don't understand. The words have been used very loosely around. Nobody questions it. I'm sorry if anyone gets bothered by it, because I genuinely don't understand it.
All right, before I let you go, your favorite dialogue from Laila Majnu. One favorite one, someone from the audience is going to be Laila.
जा अब मैं नहीं आता, अब तू ही ढूंढ मुझे. I'll do this. तुझे क्या लगता है? ये हम कर रहे हैं. हमारी कहानी लिखी हुई है, और ये दुनिया क्या, दुनिया के लोग क्या, हम खुद भी इसे नहीं